Every day, millions of plastic bottles are thrown away. But inside facilities like this,
Collected from cities, restaurants, and recycling bins, these bottles arrive sorted by type. Each truckload is
Before recycling begins, bottles are inspected and prepared. Any metal, glass, or contamination is removed. Advanced optical technology separates plastics by type. Accuracy here determines the strength and purity of future products. Clean plastic is valuable plastic. These flakes are washed multiple times to remove labels, adhesives, and containers.
moisture is the enemy of recycling quality. Drying systems ensure each flake reaches optimal conditions before.
Here, plastic is reborn. Melted, reshaped, and standardized into pellets, this form becomes the raw.
These pellets are now a global commodity, quality checked, certified, and ready for shipment to manufacturers worldwide.
Recycled plastic doesn't just return, it evolves. From waste bottles to useful tools, the cycle continues with innovation.
What was once discarded now fuels the future. Recycling is not just processing, it's
Before recycled plastic can be trusted, it must be tested. Strength, density, and purity are measured to ensure the material. Safe storage protects recycled material from contamination. These silos maintain perfect conditions.
Recycled plastic doesn't stay here. Once packaged, it travels to manufacturing partners where it becomes something.
This is transformation in action. Recycled plastic becomes everyday products, strong, reusable, and
Plastic bottles can even become fabric. These fibers will soon be woven into clothing, bags.
Recycled textiles offer durability with a lower environmental cost. Each roll represents thousands of bottles saved from landfills.
Spato. Not all plastic can be reused the same way. Responsible recycling ensures nothing goes to waste.
Modern recycling isn't just about products, it's about sustainability. Every metric is monitored to reduce environmental impact.
From factory floors to store shelves, recycled products re-enter the market, closing the loop of responsible consumption.
This is the power of recycling, turning yesterday's waste into today's solutions.
Innovation drives recycling forward. Engineers continuously refine recycled plastic formulas, ensuring
Recycled plastic returns to its original purpose. These bottles meet strict food-grade requirements, proving sustainability and quality can coexist.
Every bottle is inspected. Automation guarantees consistency, safety, and trust before products reach consumers. Clear labeling informs customers. These markings tell a powerful story. This product once lived another life. Sustainability goes beyond the product. Even packaging is recycled, reducing waste across the supply chain. Smart logistics complete the recycling loop. Efficient transport reduces environmental impact while delivering products worldwide.
Recycling doesn't end at purchase. Consumers play a critical role in keeping plastic in circulation.
This is circular economy in action. Plastic never becomes waste, only resource.
Recycling creates measurable change, less pollution, fewer emissions, and a cleaner future.
Modern recycling plants represent the future, where industry and environment work together.
Behind every advanced recycling system are skilled people. Training ensures safety, efficiency, and precision at every stage.
Regular maintenance keeps the recycling process running flawlessly. Precision care prevents downtime and ensures consistent quality.
Even water is recycled here. Advanced treatment systems reduce consumption and protect natural resources.
Nothing is wasted. Excess heat is reused, maximizing energy efficiency throughout the plant. Renewable energy supports sustainable recycling, reducing reliance on fossil fuels.
Strict regulations ensure recycled products are safe, ethical, and environmentally responsible.
Transparency builds trust. Education turns awareness into action.
Safety is non-negotiable. Emergency systems protect people, machines, and the environment.
Recycling never sleeps. Around-the-clock operations keep plastic out of landfills.
This is a living system, constant, efficient, and essential for a sustainable future.
Data transforms recycling into science. Every bottle is tracked, analyzed, and optimized to reduce waste and maximize value.
Modern recycling protects surrounding communities. Advanced air filtration ensures clean operations inside and outside the factory.
Automation increases safety and efficiency. Robots handle heavy lifting, while humans focus on precision control.
True sustainability includes every detail. Even labels are designed to minimize environmental impact. Recycled plastic fuels global supply chains, proving waste has worldwide value. Recycled materials earn trust through performance. Customer feedback drives continuous improvement.
Scaling recycling means multiplying impact. Planning today shapes a cleaner tomorrow.
Recycling starts at home. Proper sorting increases efficiency long before waste reaches the factory.
Resilience ensures reliability. Recycling systems are designed to withstand unexpected challenges.
This facility is more than a factory. It's a solution in motion.
Recycled does not mean weaker. These tests ensure products withstand real-world use over time. For food and beverage use, safety is critical. Every batch meets strict international standards.
Transparency builds confidence. These stories show how waste becomes opportunity.
Sustainable coloring reduces water waste while delivering vibrant results.
Extreme testing guarantees performance across climates.